Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Paysafe, a popular payment method used by many people around the world. Specifically, we'll be discussing how long it takes for Paysafe transactions to go through. But before we dive into that, let's take a step back and talk about what Paysafe is. Paysafe is a prepaid payment method that allows you to make online purchases without having to provide your credit card or bank details. Instead, you simply purchase a Paysafe voucher and use the code to make your payment. So, how long does it take for a Paysafe transaction to go through? Well, the answer to that question depends on a few factors, such as the type of transaction you're making and the payment method you're using. Here's a breakdown of the average processing times for different types of Paysafe transactions. Online purchases. Most online purchases made with Paysafe are processed within a few minutes. However, there may be some instances where it can take up to 24 hours for the transaction to be completed. Cash deposits. If you're making a cash deposit to your Paysafe account, it can take up to 3 business days for the funds to be credited to your account. Bank transfers. Bank transfers to Paysafe can take up to 5 business days to be processed. In addition to the type of transaction, the payment method you use can also affect the processing time. Credit cards. If you're using a credit card to purchase a Paysafe voucher, the transaction will typically be processed immediately. Debit cards. Debit card transactions may take up to 24 hours to be processed. Bank transfers. Bank transfers to Paysafe can take up to 5 business days to be processed. So, to summarize, the amount of time it takes for a Paysafe transaction to go through depends on the type of transaction you're making and the payment method you're using. In most cases, the transaction will be processed within a few minutes. However, there may be some instances where it can take up to 24 hours or even 5 business days for the transaction to be completed. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that said, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.